Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI template. This template will be very helpful for you to make a perfect literature review for your research paper. So whenever you are writing a research paper in a SEA index journal, you need a high quality analysis of reference paper that can be said as detailed literature review. So in this video, I am going to show you a template which will be very helpful to you to make a perfect and a detailed literature review for your research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI template and how you can use that AI template for your research paper writing. For that, first go to LMS solution. So LMS solution. So in this LMS solution.net.in, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So you can just click on the option LMS AI. So in this LMS AI, you can find different kinds of LMS AI templates. All these AI templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Detailed Literature Review. So you can just click on the option called Detailed Literature Review. It leads to a dashboard like this here. So these are the important things you need to add to make a detailed literature review. So first one is that title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. By using these four, this AI template will analyze that respective paper and make a perfect literature review. First, we will take the references. So this is the references I have downloaded in order to make a literature review. So first step is to copy the title. Copy the title. Go to the respective template and paste. So after that, abstract of the paper. Copy the abstract. Go to the template and paste the abstract, and then introduction part of the paper. So introduction part of the paper in the sense, so you can say these are the two sections. So this will be the introduction part. So you can copy this, go to the tab dashboard and then paste the introduction part. Finally, conclusion of the paper. Okay, copy this, go to the respective template and paste the conclusion. So after giving all the things needed by this respective AI template, so you can just click on the option called do literature review. So this template will analyze all these things, that is title, abstract, introduction, and also conclusion. So and it will provide a perfect, that is summary, and also main findings and also limitations associated with the respective paper. So this will be very helpful for you to make the detailed literature review. So here comes the results. So first it will give the summary of the paper, what that reference paper will try to say and what are the important points, what the author try to, that is, implement in this respective paper. So here you can see the author proposes a novel forecasting method that combines principal component analysis and random forest algorithm. Like that, it will provide a basic summary of what that paper says, and it will provide the key findings. So what are the important things obtained in this paper? So this one is very helpful whenever you are writing a literature review, because you have to pinpoint the key findings of the respective references, and also what are the problems associated with the respective references. That will be given as limitations of the paper details. So in these limitations, what are the important problems associated with the references will be given. So based upon this three, you can make a perfect literature review and you can get a better idea about that reference paper also. So in the same way, just download your reference papers and you can copy and paste the respective content needed by this AI template, and then you can just give the option called do literature review. Automatically these three things will be given. Based on three things, you can frame a perfect literature review for a research paper. So whenever you are writing a SE indexed paper, a Q1 paper, this kind of literature review template will be very helpful for you. By instead of generally providing the content just by having the title itself, it will analyze what is present in that respective reference paper. Based upon that, it will provide literature review. This brings out the quality of the research paper. Thereby you can use the same in your writing also. Whenever you are writing that is high quality review paper, so you can use this kind of option also in order to analyze your review papers, that is analyze your references and make a perfect data for your review papers. Go on and explore this detailed literature review. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, just click on the option called plans and pricing. So here you can see at basic plan, you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month and you can get one plagiarism and AI report per plan. Important thing is that you can get unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 month, and the best value pack is 999. So you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism and AI report per plan. And also you can access course on demand videos, and important thing is that you can get unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 year. Go on and explore this LMS AI templates and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.